Hey everyone, welcome to the Hapster channel, where today I have a very special video for you where we're going to be making the Miniverse Make It Mini birthday series. I am super excited to be opening up this set. I've had my eye on it for a little while now. This set is actually exclusive to Walmart, as the Happy Hour collection was exclusive to Target. This one's exclusive to Walmart, and I was super excited when I saw these in stock at our local Walmart today, so I had to pick some of them up. I hope that we may have gotten the piñata, maybe we got the rainbow birthday cake, and I think that we may have gotten the dino cake as well. So let's see what we've got. Let's get this party started and open them up. we are done here today. This set was so much fun, and I'm so glad that you guys joined me as we made these together. I honestly didn't have very high expectations going into this set, and it blew me away. I love the dino cake. It's my absolute favorite. It was so much fun to make. The dino cookies also were probably my number 2 because they were just so cute and sitting in the little dino. I did, follow the instructions, but especially on the dino cake, I did cure the resin as I went around the cake instead of doing it all at once because I felt like I could control the resin a little bit better and I wasn't gonna mess it up in between things. So really, really enjoyed it. I thought it was so much fun. I will say that I had a little bit of trouble with the rainbow cake and just getting the resin in the right spots. I also think that the resin was a little bit lighter than what they showed within the instruction card. So let me know down in the comments if you've made this set, if you had the same experience, because I would love, love, love to know. And also, if you liked this video, you're interested in seeing more videos like these on my channel, pop that like button, hit the subscribe if you're new. I would love you to join the Hapster fam and continue making crafting adventures together. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it, and we'll see you next time. Bye!